Good morning, everybody. This is Ed Renamba with Ed Travels and Day in the Flow Inspirational Videos coming to you live from Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, Philippines on an absolutely beautiful Sunday morning, April 26th, 2020. And I just wanted to give you a quick word to try to help you make it through this so we can make it through this together. You know, I heard a great quote a few years ago that said, adversity is a cruel wind that tears us down so we might know who we are. And this is what we're dealing with right now. Life is full of adversity, and right now we're dealing with the adversity and the uncertainty of this COVID-19 pandemic. No one knows what tomorrow holds. That's true before this pandemic, during this pandemic, and even after this pandemic. I always say that control is an illusion. It's an exercise of the ego to make us believe that we really can dictate what's going to happen in this life. And you know what? We can. Not always. You know, you're in full control of your reaction to certain things that happen, but you're not always in control of the things that do happen. We're all victims of circumstance right now. We're all dealing with something that's beyond our control. So the best thing we can do is look forward, move forward, find ways to stay in the present. The past is gone. There's nothing we can do about it. Tomorrow, we don't know what's going to happen. All we can do is stay in the present. And I think that's such a beautiful word, the present. A present, a gift. Today is a gift. Enjoy that gift. Relish that gift. Love that gift. Nurture that gift. The fact that you're here to breathe another day on this planet is a gift in itself, regardless of what's going on. So I just sit back and I tell you, try your best to stay in the moment. We can deal with this together one day at a time, one step at a time. We can do this. And I just want to let you know that it is beautiful, and in the words of Lionel Richie and the Commodores, it's easy like a Sunday morning. Enjoy your day and realize that I love you and there's nothing you can do about it.